Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download music on iPhone using Documents app. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open your App Store. And after that, tap on the search bar and search for Documents. From the results, tap on this exact same app. And then you need to download it. Since I have it downloaded already, I have the option to open it. And once you're done, this app will be available for you to use. Now open your web browser. From here, to show you guys, I'll search Pixabay. And after that, from the result, I'll tap on royalty-free music download. From here, all you need to do is search and find the music that you want to download. To show you guys, I'll just download a random music. So scroll through and tap on the download music on the music that you want. And after that, tap on download. Now tap on the download icon on the bottom left. From here, go to downloads. After that, tap on the music that you just downloaded. From here, you need to tap on this icon on the bottom left. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see an option that says Save to Documents. Tap on that. And now the song has been added to your documents. Now open the app you just downloaded. Wait for it to load up. Here, tap on OK to give it permission. And as you can see, the song is now here in your documents. You can also play the song from here. So that is how you download music on iPhone using Documents app.